What is up, guys? Welcome back to my videos. It's DCS, and yup, you know it. It's the test video of the awesome Create Toys, the Aston Martin DB9 race car. So yup, it's one of the coolest ones. So this is the miniature one. So yup, the test video, guys. So finally we are gonna test this awesome miniature car. So it does not have much of a performance, but yup, let's see what kind of a show it puts to us. And yup, I just forgot to mention, guys, this car was actually gifted by my mom's brother. It's from Thailand. Yeah, his name is Manoj, who I really like to thank him for giving me this car. It's an amazing thing. I'm sorry I couldn't tell this in my the unboxing video, because I had a lot to tell about this car, and plus this car has a lot to show us. So yup, let's go on for the first challenge, guys. Okay guys, so at first we are gonna set the timer challenge as we do for all the RC cars. Till now we tested, so we have done the timer challenge and many other tests like the handling. So this car is quite a miniature one, so at first let's go for the timer challenge, or what most of you call the speed challenge. So yup, let's see how does this car does in the first one. Let's go. So yup guys, let's begin with the first challenge. That's the timer challenge. So yup, it's almost like a 50 feet track. You guys can see the cones right there. It's a bit too far. So yup guys, this car can handle that. So let's see how much time does this car put. So yup, let's begin with this. In 3, in 2, in 1, go. Okay guys, so here the car goes. It is fast, guys. It is fast. It is so cool, guys. And yup, it is reaching the point over there. And yup, it stops. Okay guys, so yup, here the car has arrived, and yup, it has put an awesome smile on my face, guys, because this car has done 50 feet in just 11.9 seconds, guys. That's incredible. That's amazing for a little car like this. So yup, I'm gonna tell the timer challenge test scores at the end, guys. So let's go on to the next challenge. That's the handling challenge, and that's gonna be our final one, guys. Let's move on. So yup guys, here we are back to the sports room, and yup, it has been a long time since we bought any RC car here. Well, what was the last video which I bought my RC car over here? Well, it was the all-wheel drive versus the all-wheel drive. So yup, this time over here I've got is the Aston Martin DB9. So yup, we gotta see how this car performs in the handling challenge. This is gonna be the final challenge, guys. So yup, let's go for it. Okay guys, so here the car is set and ready. So now we gotta go. The cones are just placed just simply so that the cars can put round turns, and we can just see how does this car performs in the handling challenge, guys. So yup, let's begin with this. In 3, in 2, in 1. Oh, okay guys, so here the car goes, and its first spin. Okay, so it just keeps spinning around, and yup, those noises of the car is quite horrible. And yup, here the car goes, spinning and spinning and spinning. Oh, it bangs to the first cone. Okay, this car is quite struggling in the turns, guys. Like the right turn, it is really struggling, guys. It's not so perfect. Okay guys, but still the reverse is quite nice. Like wow, it is doing the reverse quite well. Okay, it is cool. It is cool in reverse. And yup, the forward, the tail lamps are much better than the headlamps, guys. It is quite cool. So yup guys, this car has put a show. It has put a really good show. So yup, let's see the scores, guys. Right guys, so now it's time to know the final scores of this miniature Aston Martin DB9 race car. It has done amazing, guys. Like, I love this car. It was so good in its performance. So talking about the first test, that was the timer challenge. It did so cool, guys. It scored 11.9 seconds. It was so damn cool. So I give it a rating out of 10. In the speed challenge, I mean the timer challenge, this car gets an 8 out of 10, guys. This car really blew my mind off, so I have to give it an A. And yup, moving on to the second challenge, that was the handling challenge. This car, it has done pretty okay type, because this car sucks at handling. I mean, it didn't do so well. It wasn't so cool. Like, it just banged all the cones, and then yeah, it just spun out most of the time, so it didn't do much of in the handling challenge. So I give it a 6 out of 10 in the handling challenge. So there you go, it comes to a total ending score of 14 out of 20, guys. This car is not pretty bad. I mean, it is quite good. It is so amazing. I recommend you to buy this car, guys. It is quite cool. If you just want some time pass or something, you just can't go for this car, you can. It's so cool, guys. So yup, here I've come to the end of my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yup, of course, this car is quite amazing, so you have to enjoy this car. It is so cool. So yup, guys, you know what to do. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also put your ratings for this car too, guys. So I'll see you all next week. So long, bye bye now.